Don't ruin it.
Subscribe to Spaghetti Noobs. You serious? Hey guys, Spaghetti Noob here. Today I am going to be quickly unboxing and opening my battery. I ordered this thing online yesterday and it came today. It was supposed to come on Monday. So let's see what it is. If you guys have been following with the story, never got a hold of the manufacturer for this crappy battery. Don't buy this battery, it's garbage. Shorai sucks. Worst customer service. Worst battery. So we're just gonna open this real quick. See, get some papers. Get rid of this stuff. Get rid of this stuff. A lot of paper. Hopefully they sent the right one. Ooh. It is heavy. Old school battery. Well, almost old school. So we're gonna give this battery a try. This is a Bikemaster Trugel. So this is basically it's kind of like your AGM batteries, absorbent glass mat with fiberglass, but instead they use a gel. They add silica in there, which has its pros and cons. It's supposed to be like worse off in colder conditions, which I'm in colder conditions. This might be actually ready to ride. It says battery tested 911 volts, 12.76. Oh man, I haven't ridden in so long. Or ridden. So let's just you know, jump right in and just see what we got going on here. Can we see the multimeter okay? I think we can see the multimeter okay. Ho-ho! 12.8 volts! I don't have to charge this thing! Oh, it's ready to go! No, I was not planning for this. I had the battery tender ready. And, oh man. Very excited, very excited. Alright. Let's see. I wasn't even prepared for this, so let's do this. Oh no. Oh no, don't fall. Let's do this. Okay, let's do that. I wonder how much this thing weighs, but I don't need to test this out, so, man. Hey guys, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would please hit the like button. At the same time, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it. Helps out with the channel and with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Yes. Yes. Haha. She's alive. Oh, we should get some multimeter action. I hate to splice that. I'll do that in a second. Alright. Let's set this. All right. That's a battery. First time it starts. Might have taken me like 10 minutes to put it in, but when it starts, it starts. Let's tidy this up. It's been way too long. Seriously, way too long. Dude, I can ride tomorrow! This is so exciting. I just need to get gas because I've been empty. I've been empty for I don't know how long. Whoo! Look at that. Alright, I think we're ready to roll, I think. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a good day.